So moving on, the next one here is, it's a parrot. Is it a parrot? I don't think we have ever taught you how to draw a parrot, so I think this time it is a parrot. And these are, you know, very nice and amazing animals. I mean, just teach them what to say and they'll just say it repeatedly until and unless you are like tired. Okay, don't say that. Okay, so it's done and he's looking quite amazing. Okay, now we have made a heart and okay, now do you think, oh, it's a word. Now see, it's so amazing, yaar. I mean, these are so easy and they look so professional at the same time. I mean, you can definitely give them a try. You should give them a try. Because, you know, there's so much, the weather is so much colder, and these days, you know, the temperature is so low that my throat was all about to give up and say, oh no, you can't do anything with that. But okay, now it's good, so I'm back with the original voice. So the next one here is, what do you think it is? Okay, it's a butterfly, I guess, but I'm not sure again. But I think it is a butterfly and I really hope, because, you know, something that pretty should end up being a butterfly. Don't you think? Okay, it is a butterfly. See, I'm never wrong. You all know that. So yeah, it is a butterfly, and after a long time my voice is almost back.